start the event with Ben Melasa. He is the head of corporate relationship management for Mindanao region with PLDT Enterprise. And I'm just talking to him. You know, I haven't seen him for a while, and a heck of a pleasant guy and a real industry veteran. I didn't know he had spent his entire career in telecom. He has an engineering background, which I like, because, you know, he knows the fundamentals of the ICT industry, but really has worked across the nation from Cebu originally, but worked right across the country. Mindanao, obviously, he's been really adopted this region and has done a lot of good work here in particular. So please welcome Ben Melasa, the head for the One Mindanao region of PLDT Enterprise. So glad to see you, Ben.
Thank you, Richard, for having me again and allowing us in the PLDT group to share our insights on the Mindanao's business environment. You know, Richard, and the pandemic have indeed impacted the world in ways no one could have predicted. Companies and organizations have to pivot and have to strategize and adapt to the new ways of doing business. Despite the challenges of the pandemic, the results have been on hand greatly inspiring. Organizations are rediscovering optimism and drive, reinventing their business models on how they do business. They are shifting to online platforms and speeding up their digital transformation. As organizations and business organizations continue to respond to the crisis, and they have to explore new ways to operate and drive growth. We at the PLDT Enterprise are also looking for opportunities and of course solutions for us to help them, our partners, adapt and differentiate themselves. Companies and organizations that have pivoted and adapted will weather these disruptions, definitely. Technology trends are there. They build on and reinforce each other, but together they will help really guide organizations to be more resilient and thrive on to the future. Many of the larger companies that have pivoted have successfully been doing the adoption and transformation, and businesses who wish to attain the same level of success will need to create winning digital experiences using, of course, enabling technologies that can bring this to life. First, the digital experience has to be easy. In an environment where customers will engage you through multiple digital channels. Second, the experience has to be immediate. Customers today expect an end-to-end transactions quickly and conveniently. Third, the experience has to be always on. And lastly, the experience has to be secure. The businesses now is all about trust and reputation. Here are some of the insights of businesses in Mindanao that we have gathered recently. One, more businesses are now fully operational. We are seeing double growth on this versus previous year. What I'm seeing here is if they're closed last year, they're now actually opening up more stores. Businesses are also optimistic compared to last year, showing signs of recovery from the pandemic's impact. Nearly all businesses are operating fully or partially. This is a significant jump already from past year's level as the market strives to recuperate from the pandemic. Moreover, these fully operational businesses are skewed towards businesses that, one, they have mobilized business continuity plans. Second, they implemented work from home setup. And thirdly, they have intensified e-commerce capabilities. Speaking of work from home setup, it is still at the very high levels, with majority of companies still uncertain on their work from home timeline of going back to the office. This is mainly because of driven by the availability of vaccines. Despite challenges with reliable connectivity on work from home, telecommuting is still sustainable, as a majority of the companies were able to cope up with most of their workers in this setup. Our top ICT spend priorities that we're seeing in the market are driven by internet upgrades, mobility and video conferencing tools. There are also emerging technologies related to health monitoring and e-commerce. Contactless operations are the most relevant to the local businesses given the pandemic. We have also asked a question to our industry partners. What are the pressing needs of your business to increase operational capacity? Insights and feedback are the following. Digital transformation is at the top of the list. They have to adapt. Digital adoption should be there. And this includes already IT hardware and software. Second, they need faster internet connectivity, both at home and the office or the business. Three is vaccination of their employees. They really need to have those vaccines for their employees. And lastly, they need to cater to more customer and sales. This is mainly because of the restrictions of number of customers that can visit the brick and mortar stores. For business to thrive during and even after lockdown, businesses needs to expand their channels from in-store to online. Online stores, websites, social media, or chat, they really need to go cashless also, and or even cardless. Digital payment gateways which provide fast, convenient, real-time, and secure transactions. They need to be connected with strong, reliable, and readily available connections, whether it may be fixed or wireless or a combination of both. We at the PLDT Enterprise is always striving to make a positive impact on every business. We assure that the businesses are our commitment to them, and we know that this sector is the key for inclusive economic recovery of the country. It is our vision to help our businesses to be bold. It is our passion to help our customers become brave, and we will continue to provide digital solutions that will support businesses as they navigate this new business landscape. Again, thank you, Richard, for the opportunity, and everybody. Hope everybody is safe and well.
Thank you too, Ben. Good to see you, and keep up the great work you're doing in Mindanao. I know it's a diverse region, so it keeps you busy, but keeping everybody connected, it's key in these days. So thanks again.